Dolphins have names, and they don't just recognize them. They call each other by name underwater. But here's the strange part. We didn't believe this for a long time, because if it's true, it means dolphins are doing something we thought only humans could do. And the proof is even more shocking than the idea itself. Dolphins live in tight social groups called pods, and inside these pods, everything depends on relationships, friends, mothers, allies, rivals. But there's a problem. The ocean is dark, wide, and visually limited. So how do you recognize who is who when you can't rely on sight? The answer changes everything. They don't use vision. They use sound, but not just sound. Identity. Each dolphin develops a unique sound early in life. It's called a signature whistle. Think of it like an audio name, completely individual. Other dolphins don't just hear it, they memorize it. Later, they use it to call that exact dolphin. So instead of random noise, it becomes something like, you. Yes, you. Come here. But this raises a bigger question. How do we know they're not just reacting by coincidence? The answer comes from experiments. Scientists recorded these signature whistles. Then they played them back to dolphins in controlled settings. And something consistent happened. The correct dolphin reacted strongly. Others ignored it. Responses were specific, not random. Researchers repeated the same test years later, and the dolphins still responded correctly, which led to a bigger question. How long does this memory last? In some cases, dolphins were separated for over 2 decades. Then scientists played their old signature whistles again. And the reaction? Instant recognition, excitement, movement, vocal responses, as if no time had passed at all. But this creates a deeper mystery. How does an animal remember another individual's identity for that long? And what does that say about their intelligence? This isn't just communication. It's identity-based memory. To do this, dolphins must recognize individuals, store long-term social memory, and link sound to identity. That's not simple behavior. That's structured social intelligence. And it changes how we define naming itself. Because naming isn't just labeling, it's remembering who someone is. So when dolphins call out in the ocean, they might not just be making noise. They could be finding friends, reconnecting after years, or maintaining social bonds across distance, which leads to an uncomfortable thought. If they have names, what else do they understand that we haven't noticed yet? We used to think language made humans unique, but dolphins challenge that idea. Because beneath the surface, there may be entire conversations happening in a language built on memory, identity, and recognition, and we're only just starting to hear it. If you enjoy science stories that change how you see the world, subscribe for more. Because the ocean is far more intelligent than it looks.